Youth with vision, soaring high, elevating lives in the rural and urban areas. Social work is not an activity, but a regular responsibility. Why is it a best practice? Project Portion, 365 days food distribution drive. Youth is the biggest strength of our nation, and at Nagindas Khandwala College, we believe and we channelize the potentialities and skills of the youth in the right direction. We have created a channel where student volunteers distribute food packets to the destitutes 365 days. This is one of our best practice because it has instilled passion and compassion in the youth to reach out to more and more destitutes. This activity has created a sense of responsibility in the youth that whenever they see any destitute in any part of India, they immediately respond to the situation and distribute food packets. Project Pragati, tribal education. Every month, student volunteers have been visiting a tribal village adopted by us in May 2017. The monthly visit has helped us to understand the needs of the villagers in an in-depth manner. Education was identified as the most important need. This made us start educational activities every month, which helped in creating an awareness amongst the villagers about the importance of education. Project Parivartan, School Reconstruction Project. At the Adivasi village, our constant efforts in conducting educational activities every month for the tribals made us think about giving better educational facilities to the kids, as it was inaugurated during Diwali in the last academic year. Karampeliwadi Khel Mahotsav is yet another best practice because along with education, we also promoted sports activities among tribal children. Joy of Giving Festival, Social Work Festival. This is our another best practice because we created a festival which is celebrated in the last week of December every year, where our volunteers create awareness amongst the youth of the college to sacrifice their New Year celebrations and go out to the streets and give New Year gift hampers to the street kids. This has really channelized a lot of our youngsters to do something really meaningful instead of partying and spending money in the wrong places. Youth with Vision Scholarship. Students also organize fundraising events for the poor and the underprivileged. And through the amount that is raised, we give scholarship to the tribal kids for their better and higher education. Bhavishya Bharat, Walking Today Towards Tomorrow. National Award Festival for Social Work by Colleges. We are the first college in India to initiate a National Award Festival for Social Work by Colleges. The objective of this event was to promote young social workers and appreciate and acknowledge their efforts. 85 colleges participated from 15 states and 2 union territories. What was the disruptive results achieved? Project Pragati, Educate to Elevate. This activity has helped us to teach the kids at the Adivasi village since 5 years. This project has created more awareness in the villages regarding education, and more students have started attending school, reducing the school dropouts. This has also made our students play the role of teachers and teach the kids in the village. Project Portion, Nourishing the Malnourished. The concept of feeding the destitutes, though originated during the pandemic, but this concept generated confidence in our students that they can do it for 365 days, and hence we started the 365 days food distribution drive. Project Patang, Making People Fly High. Visiting orphanages, old age homes, mentally challenged homes has helped us to build strong relationships with siblings and grandparents who have become a part of our family. Project Pehel, A Step Towards Humanity. The 4-day camp has helped us understand the villages and their culture in a better way. Project Pehchan, Empowering Hands, Securing Lives. This project of giving employment opportunities to villagers has boosted the confidence of the villagers as the mangoes cultivated in the village is sold directly at a higher price in Mumbai. Project Parchai, Caring Unconditionally. The project helped us to reach the physically challenged on the streets of Mumbai city. Project Parivartan, Creating Today, Transforming Tomorrow. We reconstructed a beautiful school which has become a great asset for the tribal villages. Project Pukar, Voice for the Voiceless. Through this project, we feed the animals on streets. How was the development and deployment of best practice across your organization? Youth with Vision was established in May 2017 to channelize the potentialities of the youth in the right direction and to sensitize them with the issues in the society. The initiative saw its first phase of development with the adoption of an Adivasi village at Karampeli Wadi, Pen Taluka, Raigad district in May 2017. The timeline of our journey began with venturing into Karampeli Wadi and finding the needs of the tribals, and we found that the need for education was more in the Adivasi village, and this made us initiate our first project, that is Project Pragati Educate to Elevate in June 2017. During educational activities, we observed that the kids were malnourished, and this made us initiate our next project, Project Poshan, Nourishing the Malnourished, in August 2017. In July 2018, under Project Pragati, we started the Joy of Giving activity for giving educational kits to the kids. In October 2018, we initiated our third project, Project Pehel, a step towards humanity, a 4-day camp at the Adivasi village to study the problems of the villages in an in-depth manner. Neem Tree Plantation Drive was organized with the inception of our next project, Project Paryavaran, Nurturing the Nature, in October 2019. In October 2019, we initiated Project Prerna, empowering women, and our volunteers guided the women of the village by conducting sessions on menstruation and also gave sanitary pads. In August 2021, during the second wave of pandemic, we decided to reconstruct the school under Project Parivartan, Creating Today, Transforming Tomorrow, started in October 2021 at Karambeli Wadi, Pen Taluka, Raigad district. In December 2021, we started with Project Patang, Making People Fly High. Under this project, we started visiting old age homes, orphanages, mentally challenged homes, and AIDS children homes. In May 2022, we initiated our next project, Project Pehchan, Empowering Hands, Securing Lives. In this project, we brought mangoes from the villages of Karambeli Wadi and sold it in our college, and the profits were given back to the villages. In July 2022, we also initiated Project Parchai, Caring Unconditionally. Under this project, we started reaching out to the handicapped on the streets and donated wheelchairs to them. In August 2022, we initiated Project Pukar, Voice for the Voiceless, to feed the animals on streets. The activities of Youth with Vision is dynamic in nature because of a dynamic team with student volunteers who form a proper channel for conducting various activities of Youth with Vision. The consistency in the activities of Youth with Vision is a result of the chain of volunteers who are our greatest resource. Describe the monitoring system for capturing effectiveness of the best practice. Each activity of Youth with Vision is strictly monitored by a chain of volunteers who take care of each project. A student coordinator is appointed for each project who plans the activities for every month. The best example of monitoring is our 365 days food distribution drive, where we have a monthly timetable where each day volunteers are appointed to distribute food packets in different parts of Mumbai city. This mechanism ensures that every member of Youth with Vision gets a chance to volunteer in the 365 days food distribution drive. Monitoring also becomes more effective as all students who have birthdays every month form a group and visit old age homes, orphanages. We ensure that every member of our team is positively involved in our projects and is contributing constructively in all the projects. The team ensures that there is a monthly visit to the Adivasi village and also ensures that in every visit there is a proper survey conducted to understand the needs of the people in the village. We have a daily monitoring system to capture the effectiveness of our 365 days food distribution drive, as the volunteers who distribute the food every day send us a geotag photo, which helps us to maintain a clear documentation of what we believe that social work is not an activity but it is a 365 days responsibility.